Hello, Miss Bryce. Good evening. I have 5 group on my phone, and this is the worst group ever. So please, me I ask you, me want you take me out of your group. Me can't manage no more. My phone do my work daily. Me have to have my phone feed work when me do. And me can't make because of this group alone. Out of 5 group on my phone, mash up my phone. My phone I'll fit upon charge all 4 or 5 times for a day. When never happened before. These kids now them put in another group, yeah. They need a home training, school training, no understanding. They don't know when the people say unnecessary talk. Stop do the unnecessary talk and text. They not stop. So they don't have no understanding. So I go want you, whenever Adrian come back at school, if I even need one day before he left to go high school, please give me work them. I go leave this group. Cause nobody in us don't understand. Not even an hour yet since we left my phone. There is 606 message from this group alone. 606 message and not even an hour since me left it. What about if me left it an hour, hour and a half or 2 hours? My phone I go overheat and mash up. My phone I go bomb up. And my phone me can't afford for my phone mash up. And my phone me use to me work. And me work I put money in my pocket. For me can't eat and my kids them eat and for take care of my expense them. So me can't afford for the group and mash up my phone. Me sorry about it. But Adrian I forgot come out of it because I can't afford for this. And I don't even know if you call this group mash up my phone. Whenever Adrian come back to school, no matter how long, you give me work them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, I understand what are you saying, teacher. I understand everything what are you saying. I am a poor father. I run taxi. Now nobody now travel. Yeah? Do all that. Me now go have service on my phone every day for you send the work. That's what I'm saying to you. Me not have no internet. Me buy one little service with my phone and we talk to my family them overseas and something. If them alright, that's why I buy the service. It's soon up. So when it up, I don't know how it's going to work. Okay? Me don't know how it's going to work. And right now, them bag of messages are full up my phone. Me can't get no work on my phone. So that's what I'm saying. So me don't know. Yes, ma'am, I understand all of that, but what I'm trying to say to you, you're sending more than one work, and it keep banking up my phone. My phone cannot receive no call when people calling me to pick them up. That's what I'm saying to you. And I don't have any internet at my yard. Suppose I didn't have an internet phone. How would you get these work to Justin? That's what I'm saying. My phone is banking up. You keep sending more than one work on the phone keep banking up because it's what I use to work, do my taxi work. So when the phone bank up, me can't get no call from nobody, me cannot make any money. Hello? That's what I'm saying.